Today, I'm going to be showing you how to easily create a free email signature with clickable links, all done inside of Google Docs. So you're not going to have to use any external websites. You're not going to have to pay for anything. And best of all, you're not going to need any HTML knowledge. So let's get right into it. What's up guys, Seb here from Wolfio. So like I said at the start of this video, I'm showing you how to easily create a free email signature, and this is all going to be done inside of Google Docs. Now you can also do this in Microsoft Word, but we're just using Google Docs because then it's saved on the cloud and then it's easily accessible. So what you can see right here is the actual page that you guys can access as well. So if you want to access that, just click on a link down below and then it will take you to this page right here. And then in order to edit this page, all you have to do is click on File and then make a copy. So click on File, make a copy, and then you'll be able to edit all of this. So what you see up here is actually the email template or the email signature itself. So this is what the end result is going to look like. And then this is where we're going to be editing everything. So this is a quick little table that you can go ahead and create. And if you want to create this from scratch, you don't want to click on the template for some reason, all you have to do is go to a blank space on this page and then go under Insert and then Table and create a 2x1 table. And then you have this right here, and then you just want to change the dimensions. This can be completely customizable to whatever kind of picture you want to add. If you want to add a GIF, a rectangle, a circle, whatever, change it however you want. So here you would have your image, and then this is where you would have your name, your title, and all of that sort of stuff. So you can insert that. Now, in order to hide this little box, so it looks invisible like this, then all you have to do is actually just click on this little arrow down here, and then click on the square here, row 1 and column 1, and then it's going to open up this section right here. You just want to click on border width and make it 0, and as you can see, it now makes it invisible. So do the same on the right side. Boom, and then now it's invisible. So we're going to keep the little grid for now, just so you can kind of have a visual representation of what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and customize this grid right here. Right off the bat, we're going to do it together. So go ahead and delete that text, insert your image, go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Now you can add a GIF, you can add a circular picture, a square picture, whatever you want. Go ahead and press Open, and that's going to insert it in here, and then you can resize it if you want. And now all you have to do is enter in all of your details. So what I'm going to do is just enter in my name. So we'll have it as a nice big bold font, and then here you can enter in a description of what you do. So if you're a founder, you're a marketing assistant or whatever, you just put marketing assistant of XYZ. And then here you can enter in your email. Now, a quick note, if you enter in any email, so seb@gmail.com, for example, then you press enter, it's going to automatically make that a clickable, sendable email button, if that makes sense. So as soon as you press that, it's going to redirect you to a mailing option, and then your people who are reading your emails can easily email you back. So that's a cool little thing to add. And then of course you can add your phone number, and you can add whatever links you want. So if you wanted to add YouTube or Instagram, for example, so let's put Instagram, and then we'll also do TikTok, and then we'll also do YouTube. What we can do is actually make these clickable links as well. So all we have to do is highlight that just like that, and then click on this insert link button, or you can press Control K, and then you can just enter it in. So this is Instagram, so I'm going to do Instagram, and that's a little keyboard shortcut, so it automatically puts my link for me. Do the same thing with TikTok, so tick, and then we've got TikTok, and then we're also going to do YouTube, so Control K, YouTube, and then that's now inserted our YouTube link. So here you can add another description if you want. You can have a little bit of a bio of who you are, what you do. Hi, my name is Seb, and I create videos. Boom, just like that. And once again, you have full control about the customizability. So if you want to change this to a nice yellow or a nice blue, of course you can do that because it's Google Docs. You have the flexibility to do that if you want. So now that we've done that, we want to make sure that our grid is invisible. So we go back here, then we're going to make it invisible just like this. And we're going to do the same one here. So now, as you can see, our grid is now invisible and we have a really awesome looking email signature. So now what we want to do is actually add that to our email. So what we're going to do is just highlight all of this, and then we're just going to press copy. So just head over to your Gmail account. You can once again use any other email if you have one. And then what we're going to do is just head over to the settings button, click on see all settings. And then we just want to scroll all the way down until we see signature. So we can go ahead and create a new one, just like that. We'll say my new awesome signature. Press create, and then we just paste it in just like that. And then we're done. So we just have to make sure that that is the default one. So scroll down here, and then for new emails or on reply, just make sure you select your brand new email signature just like that. And then finally, make sure to press save changes. And now go ahead and create a new email. And as you can see, we now have our awesome new email signature. So I hope this video did help you out. If you want some more awesome tips just like that, then be sure to like and subscribe, because we've got loads more awesome stuff coming just like that. If you want to know how to create an awesome profile picture just like that as well, then once again, be sure to subscribe, because we're going to be making a video on that very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.